welcome back to another one of my videos. We're down at the allotment again, and it's just going to be a quick video. Just come down just to do the polytunnel. All what we can do is water our plants up to now. As you can see, I let my cameraman swing around. It's really kind of a stormy rain at the moment. We've been having a lot of rain and floods and everything like that. So, you know, that just limits you to what you can do. Coming down now, you can see I've got 2 jackets on. Just making sure that, because we're only coming down twice a week now, just making sure that everything's watered properly. As I keep saying, it's just strange with these mushrooms. Not mushrooms, but these melons. I don't know where I've got mushrooms from. How they're just growing. I only had one, and then all of a sudden it's full of them. So if you like our videos, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. As you can see, I'm down here again. I've lost one of my uncles. He was one of the subscribers to my channel. Just lost him yesterday. So lost my aunt couple of months ago, July, I think it was. And now I've lost one of my uncles. They're over in Jamaica. So at this time I can't really get to go, I wish I could, but with all these tests that they're doing, I'm still waiting to hear from them. It's like our medical service and all that, you can't get nowhere with them, you're just waiting. And you know, it's just one of those things that holds you up, and it's holding me up at the moment, so there's not a lot I can do. So I'm going to carry on watering, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Everybody, so I've watered my plants, and I've just harvested some nice lettuce for Sunday. I've got some spring onions here. So I've got these for Sunday. I'm going to have a look outside quickly in the rain and see if there's anything else. Might have a few heads of corn out there what I can harvest before the mice or voles or whatever's eating them off. I see a lot of people with empty pots all around. So I'm going to have a quick look, then I'll be back with you in a minute. So I've gone around and process. So I managed to get 4 or 5, what ain't even ready yet, but I have to pick them, otherwise I ain't going to get none. And then I picked my pumpkins, which are ready. See, nice pumpkin, Jamaica globe, and a crown prince. This is a crown prince. This is a kudu, I think they're called, this one, and I think this one is a Cascarino. So, if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share, subscribe. Someone say, how do you know when your pumpkins are ready? You tell when this bit here is starting to dry out, it's starting to split and got straw. You pick it with a little bit of green, you leave it, put it down somewhere, and it'll stay there for a few months. So just going to go quickly back in the polytunnel and finish off in there, and then I'll be back in, then I'll pull it off basically, get the breaks done. So thanks for watching, and I hope everyone ain't going through what we're going through. It's just rain every day. I'm just looking at my show here, and it's still just one little tiny little weeny one here. That's about it. Coming too late. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until then.